Hi everyone, it's Kieran from 81 Vintage, and in today's episode we're going thrifting. So if you've been following along for a while, you know that my honey hole has been getting raided because the kids have been off school. So now that they've gone back, I'm hoping that it's going to be nice and empty and full of goodies. So let's go and see what we can find. Oh my god, it's even worse than normal. It's 2 o'clock on Tuesday afternoon. What are all these people doing here? Tell us a little bit more furniture here today. Fingers crossed. Bit more furniture out. See what we can find. I think that box might be a winner. £10. So I'm just sitting in the garden editing this video, and actually it wasn't a winner because when I went back it smelled. Ooh, it's on wheels. Got a weird smell inside that one, so I won't be taking that one. This piece is £20. It's not a bad price. It's modern, but it's good and clean inside. I'm looking for something a bit smaller today though. This one's quite nice, but it's full of woodworm, holes all over it. Woodworm on anything just puts me off. Let me know in the comments below whether you're the same or do you just treat it. This little table is quite nice. Could be fun with a stencil and some pattern on it, but there's no price. I'm going to leave it there for now. If I get something else I might put it in, but based on the price of all the other tables, I think it's going to be more than I'm going to want to pay. Let's go and check out Lampland. Still looks the same as the other weeks. There's nothing overly new here or anything I can't live without. The boxes are the best things for me to be rooting through, to be honest. The items in here range from around about 50p to a couple of pounds, so not very expensive, depending on what you find. And I like the really good junk ones. Sometimes you can find some really inexpensive ironstone in the junk boxes. I've got 2 nice pieces from in here in the past, but there was nothing there today. You never know quite what you're going to find underneath some of the layers. There is usually a lot of glassware and a lot of crystal, but I just find it doesn't sell well for me. Anyone have any tips for it? Please let me know in the comments. I really like these jars, and I'm actually thinking about starting a collection of them because I see them in there a lot, but I don't know what they were used for. Does anyone know? If you can do, please do let me know in the comments. This piece was really interesting to me. It was actually made from porcelain but painted to look like wood, and I was tempted to get it just so that I could reference it for a future project, because I want to start trying to do some more faux finishes. This piece had the look of an older ironstone piece, but it was modern. I really like this piece and I really like the finish and the patina on it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have bought this just so I could make a big candle for it at Christmas. So I spent £4. I only got this scary dolly and a suitcase for holiday because mine got battered by the airport last time. So Mike won't like this, I'm sure. Let me know what you think. Would you have bought this? I'm going to get his reaction to it later and we'll see what he thinks. So I've got all these domes that I want to fill this sideboard with. I've got to clean and tidy up and everything, but I just thought that would look so weird and creepy. Just look really cool all mixed in with a load of other oddities and weirdies that I pick up when I'm out thrifting. So let me know in the comments below whether you would be terrified of this or whether you'd have picked it up as well. So I spent £4. I got this. You can open them.
Oh my god. Frightening. That's horrendous.
And I got a new suitcase for holiday.
Oh, brilliant.
As always, if you want to support me and my channel, you can head over to 81vintage.co.uk where you can see all of our craft and DIY supplies that we use to upcycle our thrift items. And if you don't mind, please do give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you on the next episode.